मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है ना, मैं दिखाई दे रहा हूँ ना. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस एंडिंग वर्ड्स? जब मैं अपना सेंटेंस ख़त्म करता हूँ ना से, जैसे मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है ना, तुम्हें सुनाई दे रहा है ना, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दीज थिंग्स? दीज आर कॉल्ड क्वेश्चन टैग. क्वेश्चन टैग होता क्या है? इट स्टार्ट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट अ सेंटेंस, देन a question tag. First of all, we write a sentence. Sentence may be affirmative, negative, interrogative, and all types of sentences can be used here. Like question tag किस लिए यूज़ किया जाता है? For the confirmation about something. किसी भी चीज़ को confirm करने के लिए. जैसे तुम आ रहे हो ना, I'm not asking a question at the end. At the end मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि तुम आओगे या नहीं. I'm just talking about the confirmation of that. राहुल यहीं पर है ना, तो राहुल यहीं पर है या नहीं, आई वॉन्ट टू नो द कन्फर्मेशन, द श्योरिटी अबाउट समथिंग दैट कि है या नहीं, देन आई यूज क्वेश्चन टैग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी द बेसिक रूल्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन टैग. सबसे पहले दो क्वेश्चन टैग के रूल देख लेते, दे आर द बेसिक रूल्स ऑफ दैट. सबसे पहले हमें ध्यान रखना होगा कि इफ़ आर सेंटेंस, जो हमारा सेंटेंस है, इफ़ इट इज़ पॉजिटिव, अगर ये हमारा पॉजिटिव सेंस दे रहा है, देन क्वेश्चन टैग विल बी नेगेटिव. And if a sentence is negative, then our question tag will be positive. Let's see some examples. Example से समझते. You are Rahul. So it's a positive sentence. It means affirmative sentence. Then question tag will be aren't you. I'm just talking about you are Rahul. Question tag will be negative. So it would be aren't you. And if a sentence is negative, it would be positive. So we have to be very careful that if a sentence is negative, it's a negative sentence, then question tag will be affirmative. And if it's a positive sentence, then it would be negative sentences. Is it clear? Remember one thing that we have to, before just going to the question tag, we have to learn all the sentences helping verbs. हमें सभी sentences को ध्यान रखना है कि which sentence are used and what are the helping verbs of these sentences. हमें ध्यान रखना है कि कौन से sentence में किस प्रकार का sentence है और कौन सी helping verbs में use होती है. And one more thing I want to tell you कि question tags में हमेशा contrast use किया जाता है. Contraction will be used. Contractions क्या होता है? Contractions are the short forms. जैसे मैं बोलूँ do not, it would be don't. Did not, it would be didn't. Has, have, plus not, it would be haven't, and hasn't. In the same way, just we have to learn all the contractions, that how we can use these types of sentences. First of all, let's start sentence. Let's start with simple is am and are, where I am using a helping verb. Simple is am and are. It's an affirmative sentence. The question tag will be negative. Is plus not will be isn't. And here I am talking about he, then it would be isn't he. Here I am talking about they, and the helping verb is are and not. It's a negative sentence. The question tag will be affirmative. What is the subject here? They. So that's why I'm using they here. What is the subject here? He. What I'm using? He here. Like here I'm talking about Rahul. Rahul is a doctor. It's an affirmative sentence. Then I will use isn't he. Remember one thing, that here I will always use pronoun cases. Like Rahul, I can't say isn't Rahul, I will say isn't he. Is it clear? So let's have the examples according to the sentences. So let's firstly we will just write down like they play cricket, they played cricket, they will play cricket, they are playing cricket, and they have played cricket. Here I'm just writing one more example, one examples of the sentences. Like this is simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, and these are the simple, it means present continuous tense, and this is present perfect tenses. I just want to tell you one thing, that here I'm just using how I can use according to the sentences. As you know that this is the present simple tense, and the helping verb will be do and does. Here I'm talking about the past, helping verb would be did. This is the future tense. I will use will. Continuous, then simple present continuous, then I will use are. And with perfect tenses, present perfect tenses, I will use has and have. So we have to be very careful about the helping verbs, which one I use according to the sentences. Let's change it. Like they play cricket. It would be the negative question tag. Then I have already told you that do and does. They is a subject. So I will use don't they. They played here, past tense, did. They is the subject. Didn't they? Here I am talking about future tense. It would be won't they. Want is a short form of will plus not. The contraction between will plus not, it is called will. Want. They are playing, it would be aren't they. Have is there, then I will use haven't they. We have to be very careful about the sentence and the helping verb. Okay, if I just talk about their negative sentences, if there would be they don't play cricket, that would be do they. If there will be they did not play cricket, that would be did they. तो सेंटेंस हमारा नेगेटिव होगा तो क्वेश्चन टैग हमारा अफर्मेटिव होगा. Got it? So let's see some contractions between the helping verbs like is not will be isn't, are not will be aren't, am not will be amn't. But remember one thing, that if in my sentences am not comes, I can't put these things. I will use aren't for this. ये मैं बिल्कुल ध्यान रखना है कि मेरे सेंटेंस में अगर is am आता है और उसके साथ नॉर्मली नेगेटिव टैग लगाना है तो मैं amn't नहीं लिख सकता. There is a word but it's informal, so we can't use in grammar. We have to use aren't there. Let's have the example first. Like I am going. Question tag will be aren't I. यहाँ पर मैं amn't I नहीं लिख सकता. I have to use aren't I. Remember one thing that. Okay, so do not will be don't, did not will be didn't, and has have not will be hasn't and haven't, had not will be hadn't, and was or not would be wasn't and weren't. The same we have to work because we have less time, so that's why I can't explain you all. That's why just keep learning, keep supporting. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt, just please comment us. Thank you very much. Bye bye.